Sneezing and pooping are both pretty satisfying and pleasing sensations, until you can't stop.
Totally, sneezing and pooping are like mini victories, but when you can't stop, it turns into a full-blown marathon.
Having irritable bowel syndrome gives a few interesting moments.
Unless you are recovering from a surgery and have had a lot of oxy. In this case, sneezing will likely aggravate your injury, and pooping is the most painful passing of shit boulders ever.
Only when done separately.
I've sneezed and pooped at the same time. The feeling was like watching those stopped pipes getting unclogged with sediment.